Hello! Another day, another hotel review. Share ko lang sa inyo yung pinagsayan ko na hotel dito sa Wuxi, China. Ito nga pala yung Wonder Moments. So yung room namin is located on the 5th floor. As you can see here, ito nga pala yung clothes rack. So meron na ditong bathrobe and then meron din siyang upuan. Then ito naman yung floor length mirror. And on this side, makikita nyo naman yung tea and then may bottled water and may electric kettle and meron din painting. Next naman is check natin yung bathroom area. As you can see, merong mirror. And then, meron na rin pala tong tissue. And then, hair dryer and towels. Balik ulit tayo dito, guys. So, meron din pala ditong hand soap and then hand lotion and toothbrush and toothpaste. And ito naman yung toilet and shower area. So, first check natin yung toilet. So, as you can see, walang bidet pero meron naman siyang tissue. Next is check naman natin yung shower area. So, meron na nga pala tong hot and cold shower. And provided na rin yung shampoo, hair conditioner, and shower gel. Meron na rin kasamang TV yung room and then may 2 single beds. And then dito sa bedside table, meron siyang light switch. At as you can see, sobrang spacious ng room. Yung nakikita nyo yung strawberry dun sa ibabaw ng table, yung nga pala yung binili ko sa Suzhou. Grabe guys, sobrang tamis niyan. Now, check naman natin yung isa pang bedside table. So, meron ditong telephone and then switch for light and curtain. Kung nagustuhan nyo tong room na to, pwede nyo siyang i-book sa Klook using Candy Klook para magkaroon kayo ng discount. Pakita ko sa inyo isa pang magandang feature ng room. So, kailangan mo lang pindutin yung curtain switch para mag-open na yung curtain.